My name is Jennifer Lynn Artega, and I'm the founder and principal designer of Jennifer Lynn Interior Design, based in Jupiter, Florida. Some things that you should consider if you're remodeling your backyard or plan to redo a pool is first, hire the right pool contractor / designer. Also bring in a landscape designer as well. All of these trades should collaborate on the process, and it should not be left up to one person to make all of those decisions. The next step then would be to hire a designer. The designer is going to help you not only with the furniture, tile selection, and all of the water feature elements that you might have. Something that we see when we work on backyard projects is clients are very focused on the actual pool itself, but they forget about all of the other details and elements that are so important in the process. So when you're thinking about doing a backyard remodel, you should really consider and think about the budget and what you want to allocate the budget to. Meaning you should have a certain amount set aside for the actual pool itself, but then also put another chunk aside for the outdoor kitchen, because you don't want to go through this whole process of remodeling the backyard and not the kitchen. Some really easy things that you can do to your existing backyard to make it feel more luxurious and like an oasis is to add some throw pillows that are meant for outdoor use. Also add some candles and little accessories and plants that can also make your space feel a little softer and more like an oasis. One thing that a lot of clients don't understand is the expense of outdoor furniture. So you really want to invest in the outdoor furniture and get really good quality. Especially being here in Florida, the elements that it's exposed to can be very harsh. So you really want to make sure you invest in quality, and then it'll last you a lifetime. Some brands that we love using for outdoor furniture is Janice at Sea, RH, and Brown Jordan. I'm Jennifer Lynn, and if you're interested in remodeling your home, give us a call. Thanks for watching.